Dongguan Belan Automation Equipment Co., Ltd. is a high-tech enterprise specialized in wire forming, integrating R&D, production, and sales. Our main machines include electric vehicle copper aluminum bus bars bender, enameled wire bending machine, foam steel wire forming machine, thread-turning head wire bending machine, thread flat plate turning wire bending machine, toothed steel belt bending machine, double head wire bending machine, car seat grade weaving and forming machine, flatting hole punch bending machine, pier bending machine, welding and bending machine. Belan always focus on providing high-precision wire forming equipment overall solutions to help Chinese manufacturing industry achieve continuous intelligent upgrading.